welcome back. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse. This time, guys, it's the number 112. But well, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course, guys, if you like this collection, if you like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. And of course, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas para Tener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, guys, with that being said, let's go ahead, let's get into this. Guys, so we have everything out of the initial plastic, and now it's time to check out the magazine. Up at the top, we have the title of the collection, Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse in the Victorian style, and down below it says, enjoy this elegant and spectacular home of your dreams. This, guys, as I said before, is the number 112. If you would like to see the previous 111, all you have to do is check out the playlist, which is located in the end cards in the end of this video. And here it talks about this modern bakery dollhouse, which you can see there. And guys, I'm starting to get really excited because we are nearing the end of this collection. And that means that soon we will be building the dollhouse. So I'm pretty excited about that. I can't wait to build it with you guys. It's gonna be super fun and I can't wait to do it. And then over here, it shows you how to prepare the cardboard pieces that we got. I will show you those in just a minute. So it shows you how to glue them onto the roof. But well, guys, as I always say with this collection, once we have the entire collection, I will be showing you guys how to build the dollhouse step by step. We will be doing all of these little projects and we will be building the dollhouse with you guys, so make sure to stay tuned for that. Make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. Make sure to hit the bell. And of course, guys, if you like this collection, if you like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. I really am just excited. I just cannot wait to unbox all of the collection and finally start building it. I'm getting, with each number getting closer to the end, I'm getting more and more excited. I really cannot wait to do it. And I can't wait to see what you guys think once we have it completed. It'll be so much fun. And well, guys, that's the end of that. Here we just have the front of the dollhouse. And well, guys, now it's time to check out our new addition to our dollhouse. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Alright, guys, so for this number, they gave us more of these tiles or little cardboard pieces for the roof, which we'll be painting. So here's one side. And now you have to be really careful when you're handling these because they pop out really easily. And we don't want to risk to lose any of these because we're going to need them when we build the dollhouse. And well guys, that's that. You guys tell me, what do you guys think about this number? Tell me down in the comments below. And well guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And guys, if you haven't yet, make sure to hit that red subscribe button. And guys, down in the description below, I will have the links to all of my social media. So my Twitter, my Facebook, my Instagram, everything linked down in the description below. I look forward to seeing you guys on there. And of course guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Partner. It's a Spanish speaking channel that does giving how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well guys, I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye bye.